Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most confusing topics in Salesforce data management, that is duplication rule and matching rule. In previous video, we are discussing about how we can create matching rule, how actually matching rule works with duplication rules. With real-time example, we discuss all these topics. But today, we are going to understand the actual difference between matching rule and duplication rule. Many Salesforce beginners think both are same thing, but in reality, both are working for different purpose. So that's why today we will understand what is matching rule and its characteristics, and what is duplicate rule, how they work, duplicate and matching rule together, some real world examples, and difference between them. So these all things we will discuss. So without wasting your time, let's start. In Salesforce, matching rule and duplicate rule, we can also call it as two pillars of duplicate prevention. Salesforce Duplicate Management has two layers. The first one is matching rule. It will identify the similar kind of records. And duplicate rules enforce to what happens should after the finding the duplicate record. What action should be taken. That is only controlled by the duplicate rule. So then what are the definition and scope of this matching rule? So it will prerequisite the creating duplicate rule. Means when we need to create duplicate rule, we need matching rule. So matching rule what actually do? How to identify the record. So it will only focus on how we can identify the record or duplicate record. It will compare some specific field and similar record and identify the duplicate. We actually use some values like exact, fuzzy, phonetic. But matching rule cannot block or prevent record creation. So active by default once we created means in duplication rules, when we create duplicate rule, we need to activate. But when we create matching rule, by default, it will automatically activated. So it is a basic foundation of duplicate management. So this is all related to matching rule. Then we need to understand definition and scope of duplicate rule. So it will be built on top of the matching rule. Actually, it will take action. What should be happen after the finding the duplicate record? It will define actions like block, alert, or allow. Controls user notification and workflow. And also duplicate rules prevent the record creation by using block action. It can be activated or deactivated in any time by using one specific related button, that is activate button. So it is completely related to enforce of data quality policies. Then comparison of matching rule and duplication rule. Matching rule find similar records, but in duplicate rule prevent manage duplicates. Okay, configure. It should be field level matching. Matching rule only works with field level matching. Duplication rule only works with action and notification. Matching method is exact, fuzzy, phonetic. But duplicate rule works with matching rule. Can block the record. Means in matching rule it will not block any records. A duplicate rule it will block. User notification is not available in matching rule. User notification available in duplication rule. So prerequisite means matching rules we need to create first, then duplicate rule requires matching rule. Activation. So when we create matching rule, it will automatically auto active. But in duplicate rule, we can by using active button, we can active or deactive based on the requirement. Then we need to discuss three matching methods in matching rule. So exact method means a record must be exactly on specified field, no tolerance or variation. For example, account name is equal to ABC Corporation, case sensitive. Fuzzy match means allow approximate matches using similar algorithm with configurable threshold. Means example ABC Corp matches is equal to ABC Corporation. Even little bit of mismatch is there. ABC match considered it is duplicate. Phonetic match based on pronunciation. Similarly using phonetic algorithm. Example Smith matches Smith, John matches John, like that. Then what are the three duplicate rule actions? The first one is block. So means it will name says prevent record creation entirely if duplicates are found. Alert means it will only show the warning but allows user to create the record anyway. Permits duplicate creation with no notification. Then how actually they work together? So first we need to create matching rule. By using matching rule, we need to create duplication rule. Then we need to active the both rules. Means we need to active the duplicate rule. So once it's active, user try to create a record. Duplicate rule is triggered if it is active. Matching rule evaluates for duplicate using configure criteria. Action should be executed. It may be a block, alert, or allow. that should be executed. So when we actually use each, we are using matching rule when identify the duplicate accounts or contacts, find the similar names with fuzzy matching, match records by phone number or email, detect phonetical similar names, analyze data quality issues, prepare data before merging. In that time, we will go with matching rule. When we actually use duplicate rule to prevent a duplicate record creation, alert using existing similar record means we already have an existing record. Again, user is creating. In that time, it will show the alert message. Block the critical objects from duplication. Notify the record owners of duplication. So then, automate duplicate management workflow. In that time, we will go with duplicate roles. And for this, any real-time example, for example, a sales team preventing duplicate accounts. The scenario is the sales representative frequently create duplicate account records. The company needs to prevent exact duplicates while alerting user to similar accounts. Then the solution is by using matching rule. Account name, exact city, country, duplicate rule. Alert action, notify account owner when duplicate is detected. Then what is the outcome? User see warning banner, can review the duplicate, decide to merge or create new, like that. So yeah, this is how matching rule and duplicate rule works and the difference. So the easiest way to remember this topic is matching rule considered as a detective and duplicate rule is like a judge. So the detective finds the duplicate, the judge decides what should happen next. Both work together to keep Salesforce data clean and reliable. And in almost every real Salesforce implementation involving lead, contacts, accounts, or a person account, you will find matching rule and duplication rule working together. I hope you understand this matching rule and duplicate rule topics clearly. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.